Good morning, students. Let's continue our chapter number 8 and name of the chapter is comparing quantities. Today we will discuss another way of compare quantities, that is percentage. Now, what do you mean by percentage? It means quantity per hundred. It means quantity per hundred, or you can say fractions with denominator 100, or you can say fractions with denominator 100 are known as percentages. For example, suppose we have 7 divided by 100. It means 7 out of 100. So it is represented as 7 percentage. Now, this symbol represents percent. This is the symbol of percentage. For example, if we have 35 divided by 100, it means 35%. It is represented as 35%. Now, we are doing some conversions. First one is converting fractions to percentage. Converting fractions to percentage. Suppose a fraction is given to you and you have to convert into fractions. For example, suppose 3 by 8 is given to you. Suppose 3 by 8 fraction is given to you and you have to convert this fraction into percentage. Then how can we convert the percentage? Just multiply the fraction by 100 and insert the percentage symbol. We can multiply the fraction with 100 and insert percentage symbol. Now it is 3 multiplied by 100 is 300 divided by 8. It is 300 divided by 8%. Now you can change into mixed fraction. Let's divide. 8 3s are 24. 6 0. 8 7s are 56. For remainder. Now it can be written as 37 is to 4 by 8%. In this way, you can convert fractions to percentage. Next one is, suppose you have to convert from percentage to fractions. Percentage to fraction. Suppose 28% is given to you and you have to write the corresponding fractions. How can we convert percentage to fractions? Just divide the percentage by 100 and remove the symbol percentage. If there is need, you can reduce the fraction to its lowest form. For example, 28%. We can convert this percentage into fraction by just divide this number by 100 and remove the percentage symbol. Remove it. Now it is 28 by 100. It can be reduced into its lowest form. 4 sevens are 28. 4 twos are 8. 4 fives are 20. 25. Now it is 7 by 25. Let's take another example. Suppose 33 is to 1 by 3. This percentage is given to you and you have to convert into fractions. Now change into fractions. 33 multiplied by 3, 99. 99 plus 1, 100 by 3. How can we change it into fractions? Just divide this number by 100 and remove the percentage symbol. Now 100 is cancelled out with 100. It is 1 by 3. Now 33 is to 1 by 3 percentage is converted into 1 by 3 fractions. In this way, you can convert percentage to fractions and fractions to percentage. Next is converting ratios to percentage and vice versa. Suppose ratio is given to you and you have to convert it into percentage. Suppose 3 ratio 5 is given to you. Ratio is given to you and you have to convert it into fractions. We know that ratio can be written as a fraction. Ratio can be written as a fraction 3 by 5. Now it is fraction. How can we convert fractions to a percentage? Just multiply it by 100 and put percentage symbol. It is 300 divided by 5%. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 60. It is 60%. In this way, we can convert ratio to percentage. Suppose percentage is given to you and you have to convert into ratios. Suppose 47% is given to you and you have to convert it into ratio. How can we convert? Firstly, convert into fractions. How can we convert percentage to fraction? Just divide the number by 100 and remove the percentage symbol. It is 47 divided by 100 and fraction can be written as a ratio 47 ratio 100. In this way, we can convert ratios to percentage and vice versa. Let us take question. In this question, you have to write ratio for the percentage to 25%. This percentage is given to you and you have to write in ratio. How can we convert percentage into ratio? Firstly, you have to convert into fraction. Just divide the number by 100 and remove the percentage symbol. Now it is 225 divided by 100. It is not in simplest form. How can we convert fraction into simplest form? Divide the numerator and the denominator by their HCF. Firstly, you have to find the HCF of 225 and 100. 100, 225. 100 twos are 225. It is 100. 25 fours are 100. Remainder 0. So HCF is 25. Here HCF of 225 and 100 is 25. So divide numerator and the denominator by their HCF divided by 25. 100 is also divided by 25. It is 9 by 4. Now it is in lowest form. Fraction can be written in ratio as 9 ratio 4. In this way, you can convert percentage to ratios. Let us take another question. Suppose 8 is to 1 by 3% is given to you and you have to write the ratio. 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25 by 3 percentage. Firstly, change into fraction. 25 by 3 divided by 100 and remove the percentage symbol. Now it is 25 divided by 300. What is the HCF of 25 and 300? 25. Now divide numerator and the denominator by their HCF, that is 25. 25 divided by 25, 300 divided by 25. It is 1 by 12. So this fraction can be written in ratio as 1 ratio 12. In this way, you can convert percentage to ratios. In another question, suppose ratio is given to you 16 ratio 25 and you have to convert into percentage. How can we convert into percentage? Firstly, write the ratio as a fraction. 16 divided by 25. Now, how can we convert fraction to a percentage? Just multiply it by 100 and insert percentage symbol. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, 16 fours are 64%. In this way, you can convert ratios to percentage and percentage to ratios. Let's move to next topic, converting percentage to decimals and vice versa. Suppose 45% is given to you and you have to convert into decimals. How can we convert into decimals? 45 we can convert into fractions. How can we convert into fractions? Just divide it by 100 and remove the percentage symbol. Now it is 0.45. It is 0.45. 0.45 is in decimal form. In this way we can convert percentage to decimals. There is also a shortcut. In this way, if 45% is given to you and you have to convert from percentage to decimal, then we shift the decimal point 2 places to the left. We shift the decimal point 2 places to the left and remove the symbol percentage. It is 45%. Place the decimal point 2 places left. 1, 2. 0.45 and remove the percentage symbol. So it is decimal form of 45%. Let us take another question. Suppose 18 is to 3 by 4%. Firstly, change into fractions. 18 fours are 72. 72 plus 3, 75 by 4%. It is 18.75%. There are two ways. In shortcut way, just place the decimal point to the 2 places left. 1, 2. It is 0.1875 and remove the percentage symbol. So it is decimal form. Or you can do in this way, 18.75. Convert into fractions, just divide it by 100 and remove the percentage symbol. Now remove the decimal point. After decimal point we have 2 digits, so it is divided by 100. Now 1875 divided by 10000. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So put the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way. It is 0.1875. Now we are converting decimal to percentage. Suppose 0.07. Decimal is given to you and you have to convert into percentage. How can we convert? Firstly, change into fraction. 7. How many digits after decimal point? 1, 2. So put 2 zeros and 1. So it is 7 by 100. 7 by 100 can be written as, it is fraction. How can we change into percentage? Just multiply it by 100 and insert the percentage symbol. 100 is cancelled out with 100. It is 7%. Next question. Suppose 1.56. This decimal is given to you and you have to convert into percentage. Firstly, convert into fraction. 156 divided by 100. How can we convert the fraction into percentage? Multiply it by 100 and insert percentage symbol. 100 is cancelled out with 100. It is 156%. Now, there is also a shortcut method. For converting a given decimal to percentage, we shift the decimal point 2 places to the right and place the percentage symbol. We shift the decimal point to the 2 places right. Decimal point 2 places to the right. 156. 56 point. There is nothing. So it is 0%. It can be written as 156%. Or you can convert into percentage Firstly convert into fractions, then convert fraction into percentage. Thank you.